Happy morning, everyone. Welcome to day 25 of our magic book journey. Lovely morning to all of you.
Happy morning.
Happy morning. So, anybody has any sharings, anything to ask before we start today's chapter? Anybody who all did the assignment yesterday? किन किन लोगों ने असाइनमेंट की थी?
मैम कल मैंने किया असाइनमेंट. I visualized for 6 persons.
Wow, lovely. And how was it?
I felt good, but not मतलब कोई ऐसा रिएक्शन नहीं है मेरे पास, but I felt good inside. मुझे अच्छा लगा. मतलब 6 लोगों के लिए सोचना ऐसे अलग तरीके से.
So, और आपने उनकी पिक्चर सामने रख के किया था?
हाँ, मेरे पास तो अभी फिलहाल मोबाइल में ही है, तो मैंने मोबाइल में उनकी पिक्चर्स करके.
ठीक है, ओके.
अगर मुझे मैम आज फिर से करना है तो मैं उनको ही करूं?
You can.
तो मैं
सेम
उनको ही
लोगों के साथ करना है कि दूसरे लोगों के साथ?
मतलब अगर मुझे अभी तक उनका कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं मिला तो मुझे रोज उन्हीं को करना चाहिए?
No, so just it's everyone listen to this. Good you brought this and thank you for bringing this. कोई भी चीज, कोई भी असाइनमेंट आप कर रहे हो, it's not with an intention to get a result.
Okay.
The result is not your domain, it's the domain of the universe.
Okay.
तो आपने कर दिया, you have done your part, you have done your action. Now it's upon the universe how to take it. It's upon actually आपने किस intensity के साथ किया है, वैसे ही आपकी response आएगी.
Yeah.
When you were sharing, you said that there was no reaction. So now we have to choose our words very carefully.
Okay.
Instead of saying reaction, you say response.
Response.
Yeah. So, आपने कर दिया. Did you? That's the whole idea कि जब भी हम कुछ करते हैं, do a concentrated practice. मतलब उसमें 1 minute लिखा है ना, so you could go beyond 1 minute also.
Yeah, it was beyond 1 minute.
हाँ, and not with an intention, वो thought ही नहीं लाना है कि कुछ, some
result मिले.
अगर आपने कुछ एकदम शिद्दत से अपने तहे दिल से एकदम, to the core of your heart, you felt it, then you have put the energy into motion. Now just believe in the universe.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, फिर भी अगर आपको इच्छा है करने की, you can do with the same people, but the assignment, the book doesn't tell us. The book tells us to just choose 3 people whom you care about and do, imagine for their health, wealth, and happiness. Okay?
Out of that 6, 5 are for the health.
5 have got the health as in?
मतलब 5 लोगों के लिए मैंने हेल्थ ही चूज की है. My mom है ऐसे, क्योंकि they are very less in their health right now.
Okay.
So I just prayed for the health.
Lovely. तो विजुअलाइज एकदम डीपली हो पाया था कि कुछ थॉट्स आ रहे थे कि
कुछ थॉट्स आ रहे थे.
so that's the whole point. So when you sat down, जब आपने शुरू किया तो how was your feelings? आप किधर थे? फीलिंग चार्ट के
फीलिंग चार्ट पढ़ना बाकी है. हाँ, फीलिंग जॉयफुल, मगर मैंने अभी फीलिंग चार्ट पढ़ा नहीं है. वो भी आज वीडियो में आज देखूंगी.
हाँ, ओके.
बट आई वाज रिलैक्स्ड. मैं एकदम रिलैक्स्ड होके ही बैठी थी. फर्स्ट 2 में आई वाज ऑन कंसंट्रेशन. फिर थोड़ा पीछे जाते जाते थोड़ा थॉट्स दूसरा माइंड में आने लग गया.
ओके, लवली. सो देन just come back to your that happy state, that joyful state, that compassionate state, that gratitude ka state. Most important is so before you start, my invitation to all of you is, my suggestion to all of you is that just be in that grateful space. मतलब उसके पहले, that's the reason ना we say that when we write count our blessings and उस समय we are in a different space altogether. उस समय हम जो भी करेंगे उसका जो पावर होगा वो अलग ही होगा. So anyways, आप अगर दिन में whenever you are doing, just make yourself in that grateful state. How would you do it? There are many ways of doing it. First is just look around you, and you can just be grateful for small things, not around you, in your body only. Thank you for my eyes, thank you for my hands, thank you for my legs, these fingers to which I am able to write, these eyes to which I am able to see. You can take magic footsteps also. वो घर में ही आप 100 footsteps ले लिए, thank you बोलते गए, and then you are in that space. And now when you are in that space, see, the science behind it is that you are aligned with the frequency of the यूनिवर्स की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, जो वाइब्रेशन होती है, हमारी वाइब्रेशंस, हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी, हमारी एनर्जीज उससे अलाइंड हो जाती है. That's the reason being in that happy state, being in that joyful state, being in that grateful state is the best state that we can always be into. आपने देखा होगा ना, कुछ लोग जो हमेशा हंसते रहते हैं, and nothing happens to them, and they एकदम मस्त रहते हैं, उनको कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ भी करो, they are in that space, nothing affects them, and they are the people who actually who are very healthy. They have all the wealth, they have all the happiness, they are because of their happiness they can manifest anything in their life. देखा होगा ना ऐसे लोगों को? हाँ देखा है ना. Like being with those people, because हमको खुद को वैसा होने, we like हम खुद भी वैसा बने, वो हम चाहते हैं. Now we have the tool क्या है? Gratitude. And magic wand क्या था? Gratitude combined with desire. वो दोनों चीज को जब कंबाइन कर दिया, then तो you become like a rocket. फिर आप जहां भी जाओगे वहां speed. Okay, that was the whole intention about yesterday's chapter, the magic wand. वो ही था. So now you understood, na? Now you can start again today. You can do again. Okay. Yeah. And let me know. Yeah. And don't do with an intention कि मेरे को कुछ तो result आएगा. वो तो आएगा ही. That is there. आपने तो result ही visualize किया है ना? कि you are actually, what do you want? What are you wanting from that outcome? वो आपको क्या चाहते हो? आपकी desire क्या है? वो आप देख रहे हो ना उसमें. Did you visualize that way? I visualize that my mom is the healthiest person now as she was born. She has perfect spine. Her legs are very. She is walking very nicely now. Her stomach is working very nicely. I just visualize these things. Okay, lovely. तो फिर आपकी visualization को थोड़ा और strong करिए. Make your visualization more strong. Okay? If the mind is going here and there, then just focus on your breaths and do the visualization. अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दीजिए तो आप तुरंत उसी मोमेंट में आ जाओगे. And be as grateful as you can. Okay, thank you. Lovely. Thank you for all your experiences, and thank you for bringing in this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anybody else wants to talk, share, ask anything? Who all did this practice yesterday? Yes, no? Write it on the chat. Everyone did the practice or no? Did you forget? Did you remember? What did you do? Haji?
Good morning, Vanna ji, Hina.
Happy morning, yeah.
हाँ, मैंने ये विजुअलाइजेशन वाला तो एक्सरसाइज नहीं किया था, पर मैं कल मेरी फ्रेंड को मिली थी, तो वो एक अच्छा काम कर रही है, मुझे वो कल ही पता चला. वैसे बचपन की सहेली पर मिलना नहीं होता है, फ़ोन पे मिलते तो कुछ फ़ोन पे तो ऐसे वैसे बात करते ख़त्म हो गए, पर कल मैं मिली थी तो वो अपने नज़दीक में जो स्लम एरिया के बच्चों है ना, उसको वो पढ़ाती है। वो लेक, उसके घर के पास ही लेक है, तो लेक के पास वो पढ़ाती है। तो फिर उनका 10th 12th पास करके उनका एडमिशन करवाती है, सब कुछ फ्री में कर रही है, क्योंकि अभी वो फ्री है, तो क्या बोल रही है कि मैं ये काम कर रही हूँ। तो फिर मैंने उससे ये अपना ये मैजिक सेशन वाला, मैं तो तू इतना तो कर ही रही है, तो इन बच्चों की लाइफ में तू ये डालेगी तो उनकी लाइफ भी और अच्छी हो जाएगी। तो मैंने कल उनको ये बात बताई थी, तो उन्होंने बोला कि अब नेक्स्ट कहाँ कब होगा तो मुझे बताना, तो मैं वो इधर कुछ प्रोवाइड करूँगी या मेरे घर पे ये प्रोवाइड करके सब सब बच्चों के साथ में ये करूँगी, ऐसा उन्होंने मुझे बोला है। तो
वाह,
कल मैंने ये किया था।
लवली। और कल का प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पाया था?
नहीं हो पाया था, कल का प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पाया था।
So what was the reason? What was the reason of not doing it?
ये जो विजुलाइज करने के लिए पीसफुल माइंड चाहिए और ऐसा टाइम भी चाहिए, तो कल नहीं था। तो फिर हाँ, क्योंकि फिर माइंड ही सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा तो विजुलाइज कैसे करूँगी।
तो माइंड को तो यू हैव टू गेट इनटू दैट स्टेट ना, और आपको पता है अभी कैसे लाना है।
हाँ हाँ, पर कुछ ऐसा टाइम ही सेट नहीं हुआ कि मैं वो कर पाऊँ।
So would you like to do it today?
यस यस, ऑफ कोर्स।
So please do it today because this was a very very powerful practice. दिमाग में हमने सुन लिया,
वैसे
कर
हाँ,
लिया,
तो
करना एक अलग बात है। And if you do it, you will be able to experience it. कितना भी आप सुन लोगे, कितना भी आप पढ़ लोगे, कितने भी आप एक्सपीरियंसेस लोगों के सुन लोगे, लेकिन आपकी एक्सपीरियंस विल बी यूनिक बिकॉज ईच वन ऑफ अस आर यूनिक। आप जो एक्सपीरियंस करोगे वो एक्सपीरियंस सिर्फ आपके लिए सत्य होगा। तो और हो सकता है आपकी एक्सपीरियंस इतनी डीप चले जाए कि आप कहीं यू विल सो एवरी मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस टेक्स अस क्लोजर टू आवर ड्रीम्स। तो आप अभी आपको अपने आप को पूछना है कि वुड यू लाइक टू गो क्लोजर टू योर ड्रीम्स और नॉट?
यस यस।
Yes. So yes, anybody else wants to share before we start reading? और किन किन लोगों ने असाइनमेंट नहीं की, टाइम नहीं मिला, your mood was not proper, your state of mind was not proper? Yes.
Yes, I have done, Namrata.
Yeah.
And
How is-
yeah, actually, I am a Reiki healer.
Okay.
So I'm doing every day to give healing to 9 to 10 people.
Okay.
And I have got many results from that.
Wow. Okay. So nice. So result from that मतलब अगर ये प्रैक्टिस के बाद में?
हाँ, नहीं प्रैक्टिस की नहीं, मैं आई एम डूइंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 9 to 10 years.
नहीं, ये जो कल की जो प्रैक्टिस थी उसके बाद में आपको मिला कि आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो?
नहीं, मुझे पहले से मिल रहे हैं रिजल्ट्स इसमें।
हाँ।
फ्रॉम 3 days के बाद मुझे सामने से आके मतलब फोन से बोलते हैं कि नहीं, आई गॉट रिजल्ट। मतलब उनको अच्छा लगता है कि उनकी लाइफ में हेल्थ वेल्थ हैप्पीनेस भी आ रही है। एंड व्हेन आई एम डूइंग काउंसलिंग विद देम, आई हैव नॉट इवन सीन दैट पीपल और अ पर्सन।
ओके।
एंड सामने से मेरे को बोलते कि नहीं, आपसे बात करके या पॉजिटिविटी मतलब जो आप देते हो, जो हीलिंग करते हो, उनसे उनकी हेल्थ भी अच्छी हो गई है और उनको रिजल्ट भी मिले हैं इन मैनी एरियाज।
लवली लवली। तो आप नाउ इट्स एन एडेड थिंग फॉर यू विद रेकी, नाउ यू कैन गिव दिस command, thank you, thank you, thank you for whatever whose name, health, wealth and happiness.
Yes.
So good, lovely, nice to know.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. So nobody else wants to share, kiya nahi kiya, you don't want to write whether you did the practice or not. So my invitation to all of you is that the last week, we are in the last week, the fourth week of the magic book journey. And every chapter, remember when we spoke in the beginning that first week we learned how to crawl, second week we learned how to walk, third week we ran, and fourth week we are learning to fly. Now it's upon you whether you want to learn to fly or you still want to crawl. It's all upon us. So please, please, please take out your time, whatever time we all have our responsibilities, our duties, we are in a profession or just a homemaker, whatever you are, just respect yourself of what you are. And this is a commitment you're giving to yourself. वो integrity, अगर if you can't bring that integrity, if we don't have that integrity, which is the basic part of us. So वो integrity जब तक नहीं लाएंगे, वो discipline जब तक नहीं लाएंगे, then so now today's chapter is cue the magic. So it's a game that we play with the universe. जितना आप पहले वाले प्रैक्टिस को जितना आप करोगे उतना आप नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के लिए रेडी हो जाते हो. That's the whole idea. That's why this structure of the book is so beautiful, so beautiful. अगर आप कभी बैठोगे ना, सोचोगे ना कि why this chapter came, before this chapter, या इसके बाद में क्यों आया, इसके पहले क्यों नहीं आया, ये फर्स्ट वीक में क्यों नहीं आया, ये सेकेंड वीक में क्यों नहीं आया. क्यू द मैजिक अगर फर्स्ट वीक में ही डाल देते, nobody would have understood what it is, what the book is talking about. Now it has got you into that space and it's helping you to get into that space. Now the steps you have to take. So yes, Peenal ji is writing, yes, I did. You want to share anything? आप share करना चाहते हो? Your sharing becomes a motivational uh, tool for everybody else. We all learn from the sharings.
Yes, I did.
ध्यान नहीं
Uh,
आयो, and yeah, so then it
Nil.
becomes a powerful tool for others also. Yeah, please share.
I did yesterday, but yesterday I was tested positive, COVID positive.
Okay, lovely.
Yes,
Okay.
so it was I did it on myself also, and my family member who are tested negative, that it should not come to them.
Hmm.
I did it nicely. I don't know how much it worked.
So it was after you test, you got the test done?
No, test done after it was positive. I did it afterwards.
Okay. So that's fine. So that's okay now. I mean, don't expect anything. It is there now. You enjoy this moment. Enjoy this moment. Good that just make the best out of it. You have anything? I mean, look, hearing your voice, it feels that you are perfectly fine. Your health is perfectly fine. Yes.
I am fine. I did even a magic air practice. Actually, all the little practice I did,
Lovely.
whatever I remembered.
Nice. Awesome. And
Even
keep
I
on
read
doing,
the
keep on doing it.
chapters twice or thrice.
Okay.
So
So
yes, it gave me lots of positivity that I am positive, I'm okay.
yeah, so be grateful, and you will be, I mean, you are out of it completely. Maybe tested positive. There are sometimes there are no symptoms, but we still test positive. That's fine. That's
Uh,
fine. That's fine. Absolutely fine. Just take it as a blessing from the universe that the universe wanted you to do this concentrated practice. Now you're quarantined, right?
yeah, yes.
So then you have all the time for you. Just celebrate this moment. Any time of
Yes.
fear comes, just just keep the feeling chart in front of you. You take a printout of the feeling chart. Tell anybody else to just take a printout of the feeling chart and keep it in front of you. Okay, so
Okay.
then it's a reminder, it's a biofeedback for you. जैसे ही आप नीचे की दुनिया में जाओगे उसे वापस वो आपको ऊपर खींच लेगा. Okay, so
हाँ.
that is the greatest tool for you now. And good, I mean, just enjoy this. Just enjoy every moment that you have got. Just celebrate every moment. Okay, do your
Yes.
actions, do your physical movements. If you know a little bit of yoga practice, do your yoga practice, do your breaths, do the visualizations, whatever you can. Yeah.
हाँ. हाँ. Yes. Just
Ab-
I'm little bit worried about my family members. Just like that much.
as in, they all are tested negative, na? So it's fine, right?
हाँ. But like uh, there can be a possibility, na?
Only if you feel, only if you think that way. Now we have the tool to reverse this thought. How would you reverse this thought?
By seeing them very healthy and visualizing them very healthy
Yeah.
and very happy and carrying out their functions very nicely. I'm
Yes. So,
only visualizing that much only. Ki they are healthy, they are happy, and like, and they are dealing it very nicely.
तो जब आप visualize कर रहे हो, very good, you are on the right path. Whenever you're visualizing, just check your feelings. Are you in that state of fear? Are you in that state of apprehension? क्या आपको डर की चिंता के कारण आप कर रहे हो, कि आपको पूरा ट्रस्ट है अपने आप पे और यूनिवर्स पे? Just check your feelings that time. Okay.
Yes.
Lovely. Thank you for sharing.
Finally, take care.
ટેક કેર પિનલ.
અને
Just
એવું
just a
જરૂરી
minute,
નથી.
just a minute. If you are telling her take care, that means you are putting her into a space where there is lack of health.
Okay.
So we all
Okay.
have to just choose our words very carefully.
Mom, can I say something?
Yeah, just a minute.
Ishita here.
Just a minute, please. So instead of
Yeah.
saying take care, just you are putting that thing in her mind. So don't, my invitation, my request is just bless her.
Okay.
Just bless her. It is nothing. It's just a general fever. I mean, even she's got no symptoms, it feels. Do you have fever or anything? Nothing, na?
No, no.
So then just fine. It's absolutely fine. It's a cue that you've got from the universe. And today
God
this
bless
chapter
you.
is the cue, the magic.
God bless you कह सकते हैं ना.
Yes.
Yes.
So you are
और
blessed. Don't say God
Pinal,
bless you. Say you are blessed, you are healthy, you are wealthy, you are happy. Just
और
say these positive sentences to her.
yes, yes.
Everyone getting it? जिसको भी आप मिले उनको खाली आप positive affirmations दीजिए. That will be your biggest gift that you can give to them. And I'm so glad that this is the cue from the universe we have got before we started the chapter.
Yes, yes. मैं वही सोच रही थी.
वो यूनिवर्स हमको एक क्यू दे रहा है कि हमको अब ऐसे सिचुएशंस को कैसे डील करना है. And let's all collectively be grateful of her for her health. Let's all do that. You can close your eyes and be grateful for Peenalji's health, wealth, and happiness, and see her smiling, joyful, laughing like a child, playing like a child. Just see her, give her those energies. Set, direct those energies towards her. Feel your heart connecting with her heart. Even if you've not seen her, even if you've not met her, in the energy world, we all are connected. It's just a formless space, this formless state. There is no form, there is no shape, there's no size. And say you are happy, you are healthy, you are joyful. And then just open your eyes and we start reading the chapter. Who wants to read today's chapter? Cue the magic. Yes, so I'll have to take a name, or should I read?
Can I
Whatever you all
read?
say. Yes. Okay, somebody had to share something. Who wanted to share?
Yeah, me, Ishita.
Yeah, you would like to share now?
She just said that she's having that worry, like a normal human nature. But
Yeah,
since we are doing this magic book thing, so like in the start also we had this feelings chart. So I would just request her to just go back to the feeling chart and pull herself up from the worry state to the above the line stage. That is having the faith, having the the joy and happiness that she's already fine, and this would be just an opportunity to spend her own whole time just with herself. So
yeah,
that there's no other she doesn't have to do anything, and
yes,
just because usually we complain that we don't have time. This is the
yes,
best time you are getting and at the right time probably
yes,
while doing this magic session. So you can just try to do all the exercises again,
yes,
Sometimes we miss doing the exercises. Everything can be possible. So this is the best chance I would say she's got.
yes.
So just
This
take it
moment is the best
positively.
moment.
Yeah, just take it positively, and thanks for that also, that you got that time for yourself. It would just
Yes,
turn up into a better, thing eventually.
Like even others are also telling me that you always keep busy. So this is for
Ma'am,
you.
ma'am,
so
penal is
take that as a blessing. Take that as a
Yeah,
blessing, and now bless everyone around you. You can heal everyone around you, heal yourself. The more and more you give your energies to the world, what we did yesterday, the magic wand, you have so much time. You can just heal the entire world now. You have that power.
मैम
Yes.
आपने अभी बोला ना कि कुछ लोग आप जिनको मिलते हैं वो हमेशा स्माइलिंग रहते हैं.
Huh?
Penal is one of that person who she is always smiling and always happy.
Wow,
Whenever I meet her, I always learn something from her.
that's so nice, really nice. So now, Peenalji, now you know, na?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, she's always keeps smiling on her face.
Lovely. So, you know what? That there are times when we don't know what we are. And now is the time, today's chapter is going to take us also this picture, what we are going to see is that we're going to understand what is our life purpose. What is the purpose of our life? So let's look at the picture now. Let's step into the picture. Let's move into the picture as if it's real. Just move inside and just let's decode this picture. Cue the magic. Magical Jadui Sanket. Yes, everybody, come on.
so it
ये
looks
There's a
like we are
clipboard.
in the
movie studio.
Sorry, little louder, little louder.
स्टूडियो जैसा लग रहा है.
हाँ जी.
feeling studio.
हाँ, और वहाँ पे जो डायरेक्टर का रहता है ना एक्शन,
Hmm.
there is magic on that action,
Yes.
light, sound and action.
हाँ. Yes.
Movie.
So
This may be our
There's
movie, a live movie in which we can create magic.
हाँ.
we are the director of this movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful line. You are the director of this movie. Yes. Your movie of life, you are the director, and we all are the directors. Yes, what else?
और ये मूवी का नाम है ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Okay, lovely.
तो वो मूवी शायद सबने देखी होगी. तो
Yeah,
उसमें वो लोग टीम थे, पर इस जर्नी में मैं मेरे साथ ही निकल पड़ी हूँ.
Okay.
और जो लाइफ में जो डेयरिंग आती है तो उसको चैलेंज देके उसको फुलफिल करती हूँ
ओके,
मैजिक के साथ,
It is
ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ,
ग्रेटिट्यूड
डोंट
हाँ,
के
फॉरगेट
साथ,
दिस
the
वर्ड।
word gratitude.
मैजिक ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ।
हाँ,
अब तो
हम
ग्रेटिट्यूड ही
जैसे
मैजिक हो गया है, तो मैजिक माइंड में आती, ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ उसको फील करती हूँ।
ओके,
हमारी मूवी मतलब हम जैसे फील करेंगे, जैसे ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ दूसरों के साथ, वैसे हम हमारी मूवी बना सकते हैं, वैसे हम हमारी लाइफ बना सकते हैं,
यस, ऑसम, ट्रू,
बना दी
वेरी ट्रू।
है,
बना रहे हैं,
नहीं बना दी है,
बना दी है, यस,
बना दी
बना
है।
दी
And it is like camera, light, action.
एक्शन,
यस, कैमरा लाइट
लाइक
एक्शन।
एक्शन,
There's action in every moment. The universe keeps on testing us in this movie, in the movie of life, and we all have to be ready to act. Action. Yeah. Remember this: I can, I must, I will. These lines are really, really powerful.
Yes.
Yeah. So, so in this movie, anybody else wants to share anything? ये जो साइड में मेगाफोन पड़ा है, ये क्या है? What is this? You can see a funnel shaped
funnel
speaker.
shape.
Speaker है ना?
It is a final announcement that I can, I will, I must.
Yes,
Yes, and I'm on the top of the world.
I'm on top of the world. Wow. Awesome. Let's all say, I'm on top of the world.
I'm on the top of the world.
World.
Say loudly, say loudly.
I'm on
I am on the top of the
I'm on the
world.
top of the world.
Feel it. Once more.
I'm on the top of the world.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. So to sum up everything, that this picture shows, it's telling us about the movie of our life. And so movie क्या है, उसकी डायरेक्टर भी हम है, एक्टर भी हम है, विलन भी हम है, उसको क्रिएट भी हम करते हैं, डिस्ट्रक्ट भी हम करते हैं, isn't it? So everything is we. बहुत बार ऐसे होते हैं ना, जो हम अपने आप को ही उसको बोलते हैं सेल्फ सैबोटाज, मतलब हम अपने आप को कुछ we bring ourselves down by our deeds and our actions. That is what जो मूवी में देखते हैं ना, अगर विलन नहीं होगा तो हीरो तो समझ ही नहीं आएगा ना हमें, राइट? यस, नो? सो टू अंडरस्टैंड, सो दिस वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ डुअलिटीज. हर चीज के दो पहलू होते हैं, तो अगर वो एक नहीं होगा, अगर डार्कनेस नहीं होगी तो लाइट का मतलब ही नहीं समझ आएगा, अगर कोल्ड नहीं होगा तो हॉट का मतलब ही नहीं समझ आएगा. दोनों एक दूसरे के पूरक है. सो दिस वर्ल्ड, दिस लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. खुशी भी होगी, दुख भी होगा, पॉजिटिविटी भी आएगी, नेगेटिविटी भी आएगा, लेकिन उस नेगेटिव से ऊपर कैसे जाना है, नाउ वी ऑल नो. वी हैव द टूल. दैट्स व्हाई वी रीडिंग दिस बुक, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बुक पढ़ने से या मैजिकल वर्ल्ड में वी डोंट फील नेगेटिव, नकारात्मक भावनाएं नहीं आएगी, ऐसा बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. वो जरूर आएंगी, बट उनको कैसे हमें पार करना है, उससे ऊपर कैसे उठना है. नाउ दिस बुक इज टीचिंग अस दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट? बी ग्रेटफुल. जो भी है, बी ग्रेटफुल. ओके, सो दिस नाउ व्हेन वी गो टू सी अ मूवी, उस मूवी में सब कुछ होता है ना. इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल फीलिंग्स. उसमें कॉमेडी भी होता है, उसमें ट्रेजेडी भी होता है, उसमें पीपल, उसमें एक्शन भी होता है, उसमें फाइटिंग भी होती है, उसमें so many things are there ना, so many things are there in a movie. but एक dominant एक मैसेज होता है जो हर मूवी से हम ले सकते हैं, अगर if we really want to take that message. So similarly in our life we have a lesson to learn. एक लेसन हम हमेशा डिसाइड करके आते हैं. Before in the soul form, the soul decides to learn a lesson, and it is decided by the soul only कि इस लाइफ में मुझे ये लेसन लर्न करना है. एंड विद दैट लेसन द सोल कम्स इन दिस माइंड बॉडी फॉर्म. it searches for a set of parents, and then it comes into that, it comes into the womb, and then it comes into a life, then child, and the whole cycle of life begins. So this lesson is, it's always, we all, whenever we get in touch with our inner voice, whenever we get in touch with ourself, S in capital letters, we know what is the lesson to be learned. Yes. So in this movie of life, we all have one lesson to learn. So the choice is ours. Now we choose different things how to learn that lesson. Sometimes we are aware, sometimes we are not aware. Now this book, this chapter today is going to make us aware of all the small sanket, jo directions which we are getting from the universe. The universe keeps on giving us signs. SIGNS, signs. संकेत मिलता रहता है हमें यूनिवर्स से. वी हैव टू बी अलर्ट, हमें सजग होना है. वो क्यूज को हम कैसे लें, और वो क्यूज को हम तभी ले पाएंगे व्हेन वी आर इन दैट स्पेस of gratitude, we are in that space of joy, we are in that space of happiness, we are in that space of peace and contentment. So वो हम तभी ढूंढ पाएंगे. And believe me, it's a beautiful game to play with the universe. आप छोटी सी छोटी चीजों से ऐसे मतलब निकाल लोगे, as if and it will be a biggest negative thing which is there in front of you, लेकिन आप बैठ के जब उसमें से निकालोगे कि इससे मुझे क्या क्यों मिल रहा है यूनिवर्स से, that time if you ask this question to yourself, or so things will reveal itself in a different way. आपको वही चीज, वही सिचुएशन, वही पर्सन एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव में दिखने लगेगी. Like for if just now you've tested COVID positive, so now just see what is the cue from the universe. क्या आपको इस situation से आपको क्या, what are the gems you are able to extract from this situation. Just हर लोग का अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होगा. Your perspective will be your perspective, your understanding will be your understanding. So just see what you are taking it out. We all gave you a lot of आपने हमारी understanding हमने दी. Now you take out your understanding. What is your understanding based on your life lesson? You will be able to take out cues from the universe. Yes. So let's
Yes.
read today's chapter. I really enjoy playing games with the universe. और जब आप करने लग जाओगे ना, तो you will enjoy your life. Actually life will become playful. It will become like a big playground in which you are playing the game of life. You are playing the game. कभी आप फुटबॉल खेलोगे, कभी आप हॉकी खेलोगे, कभी आप क्रिकेट खेलोगे. डिफरेंट गेम्स, और हर गेम के अलग अलग रूल होते हैं. तो वो रूल्स के साथ में यू विल कीप ऑन प्लेइंग डिफरेंट गेम्स विथ enjoyment, with joyfulness. So whatever cues you are getting from the universe, we are going to learn from this chapter how to catch those cues. And the universe is always playing with us, whether we want to play the game. When the universe is playing the game of football and we want to play hockey, it's the choice is ours. Universe कह रहा है कि अभी आपको you have to play chess, and you say no, I want to play Ludo. The choice is yours. The choice is completely yours. So let's take the life moment by moment. Let's choose to play the game of life in the now, in the present moment. Yes. So let's continue reading. Let's start reading.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yeah, somebody else had said. Who said? No one.
Pooja.
I had said this time, ma'am. Let her continue.
Sorry.
I had said, but it's okay. Let her continue.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Pooja ji. Yeah, start reading.
Life is playful. We need to play so
Life
that we
is
can
playfulness.
playfulness.
Playfulness means full of play, full. Playful is one part and playfulness is whole, पूरी तरह से being playful. Yeah, so just emphasize on the words what you're reading, please. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Flora Kolau B, born 1954, writer and therapist.
So these lines when we read, अगर हम ये whether life is playfulness or not, if we ask a 4-year young child, so the child will be able to explain to you कर्म से भी, शब्दों से भी, सब तरह से the child will be able to explain to you. And looking at that child, you can understand the meaning of this line. You know, the children are always playful. उन्हें आप डांट दोगे, उन्हें आप गुस्सा कर लोगे, उन्हें आप एक थप्पड़ भी मार दोगे, next moment they are with you till some age, till some age. उसके बाद में they understand, कि they come into the actual play of this life. वो उनके इमोशंस अलग ढंग से प्ले करना शुरू हो जाते हैं. बट आई थिंक टिल द एज ऑफ 2 years the kids, they are very playful. मतलब they are always in that playful mood. उन्हें आप पूछोगे लाइफ, तो लाइफ क्या है उन्हें नहीं समझ आएगा, जिंदगी क्या है उन्हें नहीं समझ में आएगा. उनको तो बस इतना मालूम है कि बस इट्स प्लेफुल. मॉर्निंग इज प्लेफुल, इवनिंग इज प्लेफुल, आफ्टरनून इज प्लेफुल, एवरीथिंग इज प्लेफुल. किसी ने कुछ बोला तो प्लेफुल है, किसी ने कुछ नहीं दिया तो प्लेफुल है, एवरीथिंग इज प्लेफुल. सो लाइफ इज प्लेफुलनेस. लेट्स ऑल बिकम लाइक अ चाइल्ड playing this game of life. We are the director, we are the person who is writing the script, we are the people who are making the songs, we are the ones who created this movie, and the scenes कौन से होंगे वो भी हम ही decide करते हैं. Everything is decided by us only. कौन से सीन में हम कैसे बिहेव करेंगे वो भी now we can decide. We are visualizing now. We are learning the art of visualization. Before that thing is coming in our life, we are actually making it happen in our life. How? In the space of our mind. हमने माइंड में उसे ऑलरेडी हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, और फिर वो अपने आप हमारे आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड में इट्स हैपनिंग. So actually we are the director, we are the creator, we are the actors, isn't it? So life is playfulness. We need to play. We need to play. अगर कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं कि बस I can't do anything, बस I'm sitting, there is no energy, मुझे अब और नहीं कर सकती मैं, अब और इतना हो गया, इतना पेन है, इतना सफरिंग है, I just can't do anything. I just don't know how to do. And there's some people at this point of time, they go deeper, and then there is a medical term which is given to them that they are in a depressed state. बहुत common हो गया है ये word आजकल, and we use it so often that I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling stressed. That is the time. So you have decided to play this game of being depressed. You have decided. Now you can decide that whether you want to play football at that time or not. You can decide whether you want to dance at that time or not. You can decide whether you want to sing and come out of that situation or not. वो game को कैसे change करना है. We are like game changers now. There's a movie called Game Changers. It's a beautiful movie. How you can change the game of your life with your own power. And how can you do it? We have the most beautiful power with us, which is gratitude. Immediately you can change your life by just, you can change the game, you can change the situation, you can change the people, everything. So it's upon us how to play different games. ये आपकी choice है, आपने कौन सा game choose किया है, and you've decided that. In the beginning of the day, just decide that I want to play this game today. And you won't believe, आपने जो game सोचा है वैसे ही situations आएंगे, वैसे ही लोग आएंगे. आपकी जो हर गेम में 2 टीम्स होती है ना. Every game has 2 teams, right? Sometimes you can just play the game with yourself also. But most of the game, when we think of the word game, there are 2 teams and there are many players in the game. Right? Yes, no? Yes, no, everybody? हर गेम में प्लेयर्स होते हैं ना, more than 2, 3, 4. Even if you're playing a game of cards, 2 जन होने चाहिए, right?
Yes.
Exceptions are there where you can play the game yourself. But when we're talking of the game of life, we are having a lot of people around us, lot of situations around us which are created by each one, right? So when we are when we are playing the game of with the opponents, with the players, with life as it is, it's upon us whether we want to change the game according to what we want, we feel, not we want, but we feel according to our desires. It's all upon us. We choose. We are the game changers. And let's understand that how can we become, perfect game changers. वो डाउट, वो लॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रस्ट, वो जो फेथ जो शेक हो जाता है. Now we know, now we are going to learn through this chapter that this game of life is entirely on you. You set the rules, you set the regulations. It's upon you. How you make it, how you break it. It's all upon you. It's all upon us. Whether we want to win the game or we want to be losers. It's the choice is ours. अभी हमें ये बस ये choice हमारी है, and we all have that free will always. वो choice हमें यूनिवर्स हमेशा देता है to choose. If we can take it as God always gives us a cue. कोई भी आप देखोगे अब, now you will be alert. Now after reading this chapter and after understanding what the chapter is trying to tell us, we all will move in that awareness. वो alert mode में हम रहेंगे अब. And now, and then we'll be able to catch up. We'll be able to catch what the universe is trying to tell us. Is everyone there? Everyone is getting what I'm trying to say. Does it make sense to you? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So if anybody has not understood this, please, before we go ahead, let's understand this completely. So that then the chapter is really clear in front of us. Every word will become clear in front of us. That why this line is saying this. क्या है, क्या बता रहा है ये line. Okay, so let's continue reading.
Today's practice, Clue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life, because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and clues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams. So it plays its part in the game by giving you personal clues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surround you in your day as your magic clues to be grateful. It works like this. Should I
So
continue?
we'll pause here. Just what this para is telling us, just in few lines, I'll just highlight it. That because the universe can't directly talk to you, universe will give you signs. And what the signs कैसे मिलता है हमें? Law of attraction से. Now what is this law of attraction? We know that like attracts like. Law of attraction, it starts from us. Unconsciously or consciously, आपसे ही वो शुरू होता है, and it reaches to the vibrations which are produced. It goes to the universe, it goes and touches all those people who are in that same frequency and vibration, and you attract those situations and people in your life. So for example, you have decided that today I want to play football. मैं खाली फुटबॉल ही खेलूंगी, मुझे और कोई गेम नहीं खेलना है. Universe will say तथास्तु. You will get balls, people will come to you in the form of balls, whatever, however, जो भी rules and regulations आपने अपने लिए set की है, उसी तरह से वो universe आपके साथ वो game खेलेगा. लेकिन बीच में it will give you certain signs that now you have played this game of football enough. Up now you start playing the game of cricket. Now you start playing the game of chess. It will give you signals. That is what this chapter is telling us. कि अगर आप उस game of football में you're enjoying, it's fine. Even if you're enjoying, you've played enough, the universe will tell you, let's try something now. Let's try something else now. So till this time, whatever life you were living, for example, we take the example of you, Pinalji, that till this time where you are, till yesterday, however busy you were in all your responsibilities, duties, your profession, anything, whatever you were doing, and you must have set uh, intention, you must have said that I am really busy and I want to do something for myself. That is what the universe now has given you, this game of, you know, whatever you are quarantined and you are with yourself. So the universe is telling you, now play this game. You have played the other games enough. Now experience something new. Play this game. This is what, you know. So you just think, look at the bigger picture of everything. That is what the universe tells you to look into. And that is what law of attraction is, that whatever you have set into motion, the universe will give you that. But in between, वो you know, वो googly होता है ना, in बीच में you'll get some bouncers. You'll get some bouncers from the universe and you have to catch those bouncers. It's upon you. How do you catch hold of those bouncers and use it to your greatest advantage? And the universe plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues of what to be grateful, and how these cues that we get from the universe, it's really amazing. That we are going to read it further, that how it works. And if and my invitation to all of you is that please make your spine erect and sit straight, so that be in that alert mode, so that whatever we are reading now, it actually goes inside us. It we actually, you know, understand uh, every line of what we are reading now. From now, the every line of this chapter will be a greatest understanding for us. Yes, please continue. If you hear an ambulance siren, आपने म्यूट कर दिया शायद.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's fine. Yeah.
If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic clue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic clue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic clue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic clue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic clue to be grateful for perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic clue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic clue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic clue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee, or you want to them or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic clue to be grateful for your neighbors.
Yeah,
Continue.
please continue. Yeah.
If you happen to see one of your material desire on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic clue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now.
Yes,
Why?
so we saw all the things that we can be grateful for, and as we went through, or as we going through the chapter now also, just look into your own lives. So what I am just I just wanted to share 2 3 magic cues which I got from the universe since last few days. What has been happening is, just outside my window, a big crow. I haven't seen such a big crow. मतलब I actually asked my son कि crows इतने बड़े होते हैं क्या? I've never seen such a big crow. It comes at a particular time, and this has been happening since a week only now. And never we have fed crows को हम ऐसा नहीं कि people, there are people ना जो हर समय कुछ रख देते हैं विंडो के बाहर कि वो कौवा आके खा जाएगा, या it's never that. We have kept grains outside, वो स्पैरोज के लिए वो जरूर रखा है, बट वो कंटेनर आता है उसमें वी हैव हैंग्ड इट एंड उसमें रखा है, पर वो भी नहीं है अभी. एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस क्रो इज कमिंग एवरी डे. इज जस्ट कमिंग एंड सिटिंग. मतलब थोड़ा एक दो बार इट विल काव काव करेगा, एंड देन इज जस्ट सिटिंग देयर एंड लुकिंग इनसाइड द विंडो, inside where we are. And so this, so एक दिन हुआ, 2 दिन हुआ, then we thought again and again this crow is coming. So we started giving something, a bread or a roti or something, जो भी whatever is there in the house, we give it to the crow, and it takes it very nicely and it goes away. And then again it comes after some time, but there is one specific time where it comes. Always it will be there sitting outside the window. So yesterday what happened was that there was nothing. So I thought, let me take a biscuit, and I took a piece of biscuit, and I just went there. Generally, what happens is when you open the door, वो crow उड़ जाता है कि is everybody with me? Yes, no, ऐसा होता है. I don't know. This was my first
Yeah,
experience.
yeah.
Yes.
जैसे आप पास जाओगे वो उड़ जाएगा.
हाँ. So then, before, so my window was shut, and because there's some construction work going on, तो हम लोग वो windows को close ही रखते, तो वो crow बैठा हुआ था. And before I opened my window, I said, I was talking to the crow. I don't know what happened. So I said, don't go. I'm just opening the window and I'm giving you something. And I just, like a friend, I'm asking, okay, what is it? क्या है? क्या चाहिए आपको? क्यों आए हो आप? Huh? And then I'm talking to the crow like this, and my son is laughing behind. And I was just talking, and I took the biscuit, और वो जो रेलिंग होती है ना उसके उधर मैंने उसको फिक्स कर दिया ताकि doesn't fall, and it can. So first I tried, मैं अपने हाथों से I tried to give, and but it didn't take. It was just sitting there. It didn't fly, as if it was understanding what I'm trying to tell. And it didn't fly. It was sitting there looking with its long beak, and इतना बड़ा, I haven't seen such a big crow. And then उसको मैंने अटका दिया वो बिस्किट को, and I said, okay, now you can eat it. So what he did was he just flew past it, कि उसको लगा कि वो मुंह में लेके उड़ जाएगा. But it couldn't take, and it sat down नीचे वहीं पे बैठ गया. मुझे दिख रहा था. I said, come take it. ले लो उसे, ये पड़ा है यहीं पे. Just come and take it. And it looked up at me as if, I don't know, it was understanding, but of course it was understanding what I was saying, because they understand our language. And of course I have a feeling that he understood whatever I was trying to say. And वो ऊपर आया, धीरे से वो बिस्किट लिया, and वो चला गया. And then it was so beautiful, the joy which I got when the crow ate what I and I shared with my house help and everybody. I shared, and I was so happy. Okay, thank you, Hina ji. Thank you for being there, and have a magical day. Thank you so much. So and the whole day I felt that happiness. So then I was thinking that when I was reading this chapter yesterday, that what is the cue that I have got from the universe? The cue I have got from the universe is that be kind, be gentle, be humble. Play this game now. Start giving. Uh, you know. Uh, Start experiencing the circle of abundance. You have so much. you have so much, and इतनी सी चीज से, मुझे ये छोटी छोटी चीजों से बहुत खुशी होती है. मैंने देखा कि there is a plant, उसमें एक flower आ रहा है, एक bud आ गया है, या one plant I have been waiting कि बहुत दिन से, बहुत time से I have been waiting, उसमें flowers आने शुरू हुए, और जैसे ही मैंने उसमें first bud देखा, I felt so happy, and I would go and share with everybody in the house, और सबको ला ला के दिखाऊंगी, anybody will come, मैं उनको दिखाऊंगी, see, this is what a new bud is coming in the plant. So these are the cues. These are the cues that you're getting from the universe, and you have to decode it for yourself. So like that, the book is telling us so many cues. Just read through it on your own. After we have finished reading the chapter, you all have the PDF. Some of you might have the book also. So just read, and if whatever resonates with you, आपको भी जब next जब आप उसे देखोगे तो आपको समझ आएगा कि हाँ, this is the cue that the universe is trying to tell me, and constantly, every moment, believe me, every moment the universe is talking to you, but not when you are in a irritable mode, not when you are in an angry mode, not when you are worryful, envious, fearful. उस समय तो आपको नहीं समझ आएगा. That's the reason you be in that happy state. The first sentence of this chapter is life is playfulness. Be in that playful state, then you will be able to just play this game so beautifully. कुछ भी आप देखोगे, एक छोटी सी चीज आप देखोगे. Like yesterday somebody called me, and who was in the session, the previous session, and she called me that today I had written one of my dreams, or that I'm staying in a big house with all my 3 sons, and I never thought that this will become true. And just now my husband called from Delhi that he has taken a plot, and we are building a bungalow over there. We are going to create 4 floors, and she was sharing everything. So long story cut short, she just she shared this with me, and I was so happy. And then I sat and thought that why she shared this today only, why this thing happened today only. So this was the cue from the universe that very soon I'll be shifting to a bigger house with 6 bedrooms, which I had, I have written in my dream list. So this was the cue from the universe that very soon I will be having this with me. So and then today morning I shared with my husband, see, this must be the cue. This must be the cue that the universe is giving me. Like that, the universe keeps on giving us. उसे आपको उस secret को आपको निकालना है. We all have to learn, to take out that from every incident, whatever we are seeing, everything that we are seeing. Yeah. So please continue.
When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you are being given a magic clue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic clue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic clue to say thank you.
Yeah. So every day when I come to the session, we say na happy morning. So it's a magic cue to be happy, to be grateful, to be joyful, to enjoy the moments, to enjoy this day. So this is a magic cue. So take this as a magic cue now. And if you are here, another person saying thank you, even if the person has not felt and has just said thank you, it's your cue to be thank you. It's anywhere at any time. It's your magic cue to say thank you. So the universe is reminding you to be grateful, because in this book, every chapter is telling us, na, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is the first word that we heard, right? When we did the count your blessings also, when we're doing the magic rock practice also, every time every practice is telling us to do that. So then maybe at times we still forget to say thank you. So if that time or any other time you hear any other person saying thank you, if it's just a passerby, आप बाहर गए हो, कहीं पे गए हो, कहीं बैठे हो, somebody is saying thank you to another person. So when you hear that, so it's your cue to say thank you for whatever you have. And believe me, you will be able to catch yourself, Arey, I have forgotten to be grateful. That's the reason the universe, through that person, through that sound, is trying to tell me to be grateful. This is how we have to catch. And it's a very, very deeper science. जो इसको समझ गया ना, if we have understood this including me, then your whole life changes. You will actually become a game changer. Yes, please continue.
There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magically clue you to be grateful in your day-to-day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic clue or get a clue wrong because whatever you think a clue is for, you are right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically clue you, and so you always attract the exact clue that you need to be grateful for in that moment. Clue the magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice, I now automatically see all the magic clues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe find new ways to clue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion. When I receive a phone call from a friend or a family member, it's the clue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a clue to be grateful for a beautiful weather where I live and for another beautiful day. If an appliances breaks down, it's a clue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a clue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a clue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM, or I see people in a line at an ATM, it's a clue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a clue to be grateful for their health and mind. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a clue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a clue to be grateful for the great day that I had.
It's a cue, it's not a clue. Cue.
Clue.
Cue.
Cue.
It's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. So yeah, so we all can look into our lives. आप अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देख सकते हैं कि कल क्या हुआ था, कल से आपको कुछ क्यों मिला था, या आज आप अभी से सुबह से उठे हो, did you notice anything? So beautiful now that this chapter has not left anything. You know, when I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. You know, it's a beautiful idea. Just when you wake up in the morning, just go and stand in close to your window and just open your arms in the abundance pose. You know, open your arms like this and just look outside and ask the universe, what is my, you know, what is the cue today? And just look around you. Immediately, you know, you feel, आपको ऐसा लगेगा उस समय शायद एक हवा भी आपके पास जाएगी ना, तो वो भी आपको एक क्यू लगेगा. Like, you know, when you opened the window, there was nothing. नॉर्मल हवा चल रही थी, लेकिन जैसे ही आपने ये बोला और वो हवा आपको ना, हवा की गति बढ़ जाएगी, and it will touch your skin, it will touch your face, it will touch your hair, then your hair will start moving. So that is the cue that you are getting from the universe, that it's a beautiful day, the wind is touching you, the sunlight is falling on your face. So this is a cue from the universe that it's a bright, wonderful day, a day full of energy, a day full of power. So how is your connection with the sun? You will feel that. You know, how is your connection with the wind? You will get that cue. Everyone's cue will be different. You know, just because I am saying don't take that as a cue for yourself, find a cue for yourself. आपको अपना cue अपने आप मिलेगा, and that will be the unique cue for you. So like that, you know, just keep on playing this game. Just keep on playing this game. You'll really, really enjoy. So yesterday, when I'm sharing this yesterday, now I'm remembering that when I was yesterday, I had made South Indian for dinner. So when I was making the chutney in the dry grinder, something happened because I must have filled it. थोड़ा ज़्यादा fill कर दिया होगा, and the grinder went off. It just, you know, different sounds started coming and it got spoiled. So that moment, see, in spite of knowing everything, that moment I said, oh, now what, not again now. Again, I'll have to go tomorrow and get this grinder repaired, you know. So वो एक वो जो habit हो जाती है ना, to change that habit, it takes a lot of practice. And so after that, when even now when I'm sharing, now I'm getting the actual cue. What was the cue? The cue was that all the other jars which are there, because of which I could, you know, pick up the other jar, the mixer grinder, and I could make the chutney and I could serve the dinner on time. It was a cue for, you know, to be grateful for the other jars, for all the other electric appliances which are there in my kitchen, in my home. You know, it's so the universe gives you certain cues. Maybe I was not feeling grateful. That's the reason the universe gave me this cue that you be grateful. Be grateful. You're telling others to be grateful and you are not being grateful. What are you doing? You know, that's the universe's way of conversing. So you all have to understand this, how to apply it in your own lives and play this game. Believe me, it's really, really beautiful. Even if you know the game, there are moments when you forget that actually this is the game you are playing. हम बहुत सीरियस हो जाते हैं, हर चीज को एकदम सीरियसली लेने लग जाते हैं. So let's stop doing that now and let's play the game. Let's you know, be in that playful state. Let's be let's be the creator of a new movie now, and every time we create new movies for ourselves. Yes, please continue. Please continue to play Cue the Magic today.
To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is to be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." You can never do too much gratitude, so you can choose to do more. And if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you have been following the daily magical practice over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So, universe, cue the magic.
Yeah, so what we have to do now, we come to the practice that you have to take 7 cues from the universe. Minimum 7 cues, it could be more than that. And believe me, if you are alert, if you are aware, you will start getting cues right from the time you know, we complete our today's session. And the moment you get up and you are in that grateful space, you're in that happy space, you're in that joyful space where you are ready to accept everything, then you will, the universe, you know, you'll start discovering those cues for yourself. So for example, it's very beautiful, this one, that if you see someone with your perfect weight, thank you for my perfect weight. What happens generally is that we, you know, we get into that space, oh, I am not having this weight, I want to look like that person, I want to have a waistline of 28, I want to have a waistline, you know, thin waistline and a good height and a good body wherein I can wear beautiful clothes, you know. So all these thoughts, you know, come when you see someone of whom you are wanting that, you know, to happen, when it comes to your weight or your body or your complexion or the hair, anything. So then at that time you have to catch yourself and say, now we are having an access to a different new thing altogether. उस समय अगर हम उस you know, our feelings change, then we are having an access to change our feelings back to the feeling of abundance, wherein we say thank you for my perfect weight, or thank you for my perfect hair, or thank you for my perfect height, you know, whatever you want to have it for yourself. Okay, and you can never do too much of gratitude. You can choose to do more, and if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. And tomorrow, my invitation to all of you is that all of you are going to share your magic cues, and don't wait for anyone else to say. Just be ready. Or if you want, you can write your magic cues as you are discovering today on our group Magic Everywhere. You can just start sharing from today itself, so that we can start the chapter early tomorrow, and we don't exceed the time, because I know everyone is busy and you have your commitments in the morning. So if we can, if we have set up this time, let's use this time completely. So you can start sharing in the group today itself. And when you start sharing, and when you know that you have to share and you need to share, and it will be good if you share in the in our group, then actually you will be alert and aware. You will be in that mode. Even if you are sitting at home, there'll be so many cues you'll be getting. Maybe some person will walk into your room and tell you something. So just think that what is the universe trying to tell me through this person? What is happening? Even if your maid does something wrong, your house head will do something wrong, something will go wrong in the cooking or in the cleaning or anything. That time you have to just stop, just pause and ask yourself, what is the cue that I'm getting from the universe? Instead of getting angry, instead of shouting, if you have gone into that space, then you will never be able to find out the cues. So now, today being the 25th day, the author is just being in that mode. She's thinking that we all have been practicing since the last 24 days. So this chapter tells us these lines: if you have been following the daily magical practices over the last 24 days, that's the reason I've been telling you all that don't miss any magical practice, don't miss any assignment. Find out time for yourself. You have been, you have committed yourself to come so early in the morning every day since the last 25 days. And there is some reason why you have committed, why you are coming so early in the morning, why you're waking up in the morning and you're taking out time for yourself. Why? So just be with it. There is some reason. You must be experiencing something, some kind of, unless and until the human mind is such कि अगर कुछ मिले नहीं तो हम उसे करना नहीं चाहते हैं. We always want profits. अगर कुछ profit नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, then we will never be able, we'll never commit ourselves to give time to that. And morning time is the most precious time for all of us. Some of us are sacrificing our sleep. We are waking up early and we are completing all our work which we need to be done, all our responsibilities and duties towards our family, towards our work. Sab karke fir then we are taking our time to come here for an hour or so. So I mean, just do the magical practices. Don't miss out any magical practice. And if you have missed out, you have an opportunity now. You have the opportunity now to complete what you have missed yesterday, but not what you have missed 5 days before. That's the reason that the day zero, or I think day one, it was said that if you miss one practice, then you have to go 3 days पीछे, 3 दिन पहले पीछे आपको जाना होगा. भले ही आपने वो असाइनमेंट करी है, पर उसे आपको वापस करना होगा. That's how they are showing the importance, Odonda Man is sharing with us to make us understand the importance of doing every practice. So if you have done all the daily magical practice over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you, whether you are aware or not, whether you're alert or not, whether you are you're catching those cues or not, but the universe is always giving those cues to you. And it wakes you up. It makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, isn't it? We are finding out ways how to be grateful. जितना हम alertness में रहते हैं, जितना हम in the now में रहते हैं, जितना हम aware होते हैं, उतना हम grateful होते हैं. and the more easily you attract your dreams, isn't it? Our mission is to just move closer to our dreams and to make our dreams come true. Yes, no, everybody. Do you want to make your dreams come true?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
Yes. So
yes.
then do what this every chapter is telling us to do. Yeah. And then you say, so
Yes.
universe, cue the magic. So you're telling the universe, come universe, let's play the game of magic. Give me cues so that I can understand and play this game with you. Give me cues so that I can learn how to play all the games. I can learn how to play football. I can learn how to play cricket. I can learn how to play throw ball. I can learn how to play golf. I can learn how to play chess. I can learn how to play all the games, possible games that you have created. I want to learn to play all the games, but you give me the cues. You give me the cues. Yes? So now let's read magic practice number 25.
Magic practice number 25. Cue the magic. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say, thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the event in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, thank you for my perfect weight. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so thank you, Pooja ji, for
Thank
reading the
you.
chapter for us. Thank you so much. So, are we all ready to play this game? Yes, no.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Lovely. And so be alert, be aware, be in the space, in the now, in the present moment. You will be able to get more than 7 cues, I'm sure. I'm sure you will be getting more than 7 cues. And as you get the cues, you can just write it down in the chat or you can write it down in your journal. My invitation to all of you is just keep on writing in the chat, and by the end of the day, or maybe as you get, or you can just make a note, and by the end of the day, you can just write it on our group so that we can start our session early tomorrow. And it's upon you. It's the choice is yours whether you want to share or whether you want to write, whatever you feel like. But just be aware and don't be disappointed कि आपको कुछ क्यों मिल ही नहीं रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. That's fine. You just be with open arms. जब एक बच्चा अपनी माँ के पास आता है, तो the mother is always waiting, with open arms, ना. The mother is always waiting and that the child comes and वो एकदम अपने गले से लगा लेती है बच्चे को. So like that, the universe is always waiting for us. It's upon us how open we are, how receptive we are, how alert we are. The universe is always playing this game with us. So let's play this game, not today, not tomorrow, not day after, but always every moment through our lives now. And let's understand the game of life because we are the creator, we are the director, we are the actors. Nobody else. We have scripted. जो स्क्रिप्ट जो लिखा गया है वो हमने ही लिखा है और उसे रीस्क्रिप्ट भी हम ही कर सकते हैं. So yes, so anybody has any questions, anything to ask before we end today's session? Yes, nothing. So yes, so then we can thank you everyone for
Thank
being
you.
in
Thank you. Thank you.
and just
Thank you.
play the game with the universe. Get cues from the universe. That is my
Yes.
intention for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.